Klaus, this is an interesting model here from Hwacheon. This is the 230 CXL. Evidently, it's a very big bed, isn't it? Is that the biggest way, or is that the biggest advantage to this machine?
The XL really identifies that this is the long version. I mean, we have the high-tech 230 in many, many different configurations. So the XL really, again, from customers' demand and market demand, we improved. It's about 1.5 years ago we launched this machine. So it provides a more flexibility from flange type of work up to shaft time.
Yeah, what's the market for machines with this turning length? Because often people want a bigger chuck as well, don't they? But this is, 10, 12-inch chuck machine, but with that additional turning length. Where is the market?
Yeah, I mean, the base machine, the high-tech 230A and B, has an 8-inch chuck. The C is then the 10-inch chuck machine. And with the additional lengths, you just give customers a better variety where he can use the machine. Today the chop shops or smaller companies, they look for flexibility.
The accessibility of the machine is very good as well, isn't it here? I noticed both doors open, so the loading of components is made simple.
Correct. You can load here up to 1.1 meter. You have the center distance 1.1 meter. Capability of loading parts even by crane if they are heavier. So it's not a problem. The access is good indeed, yeah.
And I noticed you've got a mount for a steady on here. Is this something that's standard with the machine?
No, it's not standard. It's, this kind of options are always depending what the customer really want to do. However, an XL machine with 1.1 meter, you need a steady rest. So this is a single steady rest base. We also have an option for a double steady.
Interesting that Hwacheon is the largest privately owned machine tool manufacturer in Korea, isn't it? It's some company.
It's the largest independent and as well the oldest one. I mean, our history really dates back 78 years now almost.
And all of these machines, where are they made? Are they all made in Korea?
Yeah, our company is strictly, everything is built in-house, designed in-house and made in South Korea. We have a total of 8 factories in Korea.